Under the impracticability doctrine, if a party's contractual performance is made impracticable due to a complication or event, the non-occurrence of which was a basic assumption on which the contract was made, a court may excuse the party's performance or modify a contract's terms. In the 1980 case, Aluminum Company of America versus Essex Group, a federal district court in Pennsylvania considered whether it could modify or reform a contract for the sale of aluminum under the impracticability doctrine. Aluminum Company of America, or ALCOA, is a leading producer of aluminum. Essex Group is a company that designs, manufactures, and supplies wire and cable products. In 1967, Essex sought to expand its business in the manufacture of aluminum wire products. Essex then entered into a requirements contract with ALCOA, under which ALCOA agreed to supply Essex with all its long-term aluminum needs. The contract was to run until the end of 1983, with an option given to Essex to extend the contract until the end of 1988. Under the terms of the contract, the price of aluminum was based on a formula that would allow the price to increase in accordance with the changes in the Wholesale Price Index, or WPI, for industrial commodities. In addition, the price for aluminum was subject to increase based on an index for the average hourly labor rates of ALCOA's employees at its Warwick, Indiana plant. In the early years of the contract, the price formula in the contract aligned with ALCOA's cost figures. However, by 1973, oil price increases and unanticipated pollution control costs substantially increased ALCOA's production costs beyond the indexed price increases. As a result, ALCOA stood to lose more than $75 million during the remaining contract term. Subsequently, ALCOA filed suit against Essex in the United States District Court for the Western District of Pennsylvania, seeking reform or an equitable adjustment of the contract. Specifically, ALCOA argued, in part, that it was entitled to relief under the doctrine of impracticability. In response, Essex counterclaimed for breach of contract. The case proceeded to trial, and the court heard arguments on the parties' positions.